Here's how to make a game pass and please donate. First of all, you need to go to Roblox website, which is roblox.com, log into your account, and tap on the create button in the top of the screen. And then from the menu that appears, tap on creations. Now go to my experiences, and everyone has a default experience with their username. Click on your experience. Now on the left, find and click on passes, which is under the section of monetization. Now tap on create a pass option. Select a picture that you want to. Now enter a name. You can also enter a description if you want. Then tap on create pass option, which is highlighted in blue color in the bottom. Now again, select the pass that you just created. Tap on the sales section and enable the option for item for sale. Also go ahead and enter a default price. Then tap on save changes. Return to roblox.com and join Please Donate and claim an unclaimed stand by holding E, and your new Game Pass should now be visible as a donation button. To add more Game Passes, repeat these steps, and to remove a Game Pass, disable item for sale on the Passes page. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.